Hey everybody, Mr. B here, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be smoking some bologna on the Masterbuilt electric smoker, so let's get it started. All right, kids, so what I've got here is a 2.5 pound chub of bologna. It cost about $4. What I'm going to do here is we're going to square this off just like that. Open that plastic up. Same thing on the butt side. Then we're just going to trim off this plastic wrap here. Kind of carefully get it started. Maybe it'll tear. Maybe. Of course not. Got some though. All right, there you have it. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set it up on its side, and we're going to score it, kind of like that, all the way around him. Just going about, I don't know, 3/4 of an inch deep. And then we're going to go around the other side, the other way, making little crisscrosses, much like you do your, you know, your ham. Okay, now, next up, we're going to take some of the finest mustard you can find, and we're just going to rub this thing down. Now, it's not going to add any flavor, but I mean, so what if it did? Because, you know, mustard and bologna, right? Get it all rubbed up. And then next up, we are going to take whatever your favorite barbecue rub is, and we're just going to get that nice and coated. Beautiful. Sure to get your sides. All right, and we're going to get it on the smoker for about an hour or so, and it's going to be delicious. Okay, let's get this bologna on here. And this is going to go about an hour or so. Should get it to where I want it. Ooh, yes indeed. I'll just plop that right on there. See you soon. All right, guys, here you've got this beautiful smoked bologna. What a good sandwich this is gonna make. I'm gonna cut just a little bit. Now, one thing I will say here is we could have glazed this, and that would have been amazing. There you have it. Slight smoke ring, you probably can't see. And we're gonna taste that. So to glaze it, like fire up your gas grill or something like that, or just keep using the smoker and put some barbecue sauce on it. That is insane, smoky, salty. The glaze would have been good. A little sweet to that. Would have been nice. There you have it. Smoked bologna. Hit like, click subscribe, come along for the ride. We've got more smoking going on. See you later. Okay, and then we're just going to kind of cut this. Then we're just going to trim this. All right, there you have it. Now the next